Another fine vehicle offered by Texas Nissan of Grapevine.
This is a 2006 Nissan Murano. Plenty of space for what you need. This Nissan has a long list of incredible features, including a power driver's seat, a power sunroof, a Bose stereo system, a multi-disc CD player, a parking camera, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has just over 46,000 miles. It features a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a continuous variable transmission. This Nissan has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this crossover in person.